Alrighty, so guys, today I will be unboxing the scooter that I have got to roam around and do some vlogging. I'll just enjoy my peach mousse tea, and we're gonna unbox the scooter. So it is here. So now let's do this. You wanna unbox this? You like the scooter? This is very, very heavy. So we're gonna unbox this. So we're gonna use the knife. Yes, yeah. In the box we have like a manual and this thing to fill air in the tires, a tool and some screws. I'm gonna put that on the side for a sec. So this is the charger. That's the charger. Take this. Go, put it there. So this is the charger. Okay. Take this one as well. Take it. Go. And okay, it's there, but I still need to tighten this. There are certain screws that I have, so I'm gonna tighten it. And then let me take this scooter out. It's very heavy, huh? Very heavy. Okay. Alrighty. Woo. So we have it. We have the scooter, and I'm gonna put this on the stand. And let me take the wrapper off. We need to take all the wrappers off, and then there is this headlight. Nice little reflector. So let me do this. Alright, so very nice little badging here, and then you have very nice rims. So this is a charger, like I said. I'm gonna take this off, and then on the back you have like these nice, discs. Okay, so overall the scooter is very, very sturdy, looks sturdy. So and I guess she's just enjoying the box. Anyways, so this is the profile of the scooter, and now I'm gonna tighten these screws up and we'll try to boot this up, and then we'll see how it runs. Okay, so now I need to screw these, and because that's very, very important, else we're gonna drive it simple. So let's do this. So if you see, this is the throttle, so very different in this scooter than the other one. So these are turn signals, and on the handle they have the turn signals as well. Here, on the back side as well. This is the screen, like where we have all the modes and everything, information that would be displayed. So I think the build quality is solid, but the only thing is, and let us check how this thing is from underneath. So I think nice mesh there, and good metal stand. The tires are tubeless, looks good. You can fill the air from here. Hydraulic suspension. So let's see how good the suspension is. Okay, so look, very nice, looks solid. Okay, and the braking is good as well. So overall I think the quality is pretty nice. So now let's try. Okay, so my little engineer is gonna test it out as well. Yeah, you wanna test it? Okay, come on, test it. Jump, yeah, jump. Yes. So instead of jumping, Okay, she's doing the opposite, but it's okay. It's okay. Very good. Nice. Very nice. It's all good. So I think, guys, now it's time to activate this thing and test it out. Very, trendy. Front headlight, visor, good brakes, and some, flashy red covering for the wires. Good ding ding bell, solid grip. You have the turn indicators, screen here, left, right for the indicators, they are here. Reflectors, lock mechanism so that handle doesn't fold when you're riding. And then hydraulic suspension, nice hydraulic suspension. You have these very nice disc brakes in the front, tubeless tires, good wheels, amazing design. And then a metal stand. This looks solid. Make it electric, make life electric. Charging port here, and then badging again. So this is like a lock for your handle. And then at the back as well, you have the disc brakes, very nice, good tires. And this is like the back mudguard, very nice, good styling overall, very nice. So let's ride it and see, is it worth the price? So this is a top tier scooter from NIU.